Whoa, you guys clicked on this video out of all the how to install Minecraft mods? Well, I'm very excited and I'm just gonna make this short and sweet because there's a million videos out there and a million of them are outdated. So let's go ahead and just get into this. So what you wanna do is have your internet browser open and then go to a website called CurseForge.com. And there's a slew of games that you can download mods for, but in today's focus, we'll be downloading mods for Minecraft. So we're gonna go ahead and get the CurseForge app and download it standalone. Now, if you're modding other games, it's probably beneficial to download on Overwolf, but since I'm focused on Minecraft mods, I'm just gonna download on standalone. All right, so there we go. Now the installer has installed. I can actually close out of this window right here. All right, so I'm gonna accept the terms that I'm at least 18 years old. And the reason why it is 18 years old is because you can install mods for M-rated games. And on top of that, some of the mods may be more mature than others. But from my experience when it comes to Minecraft mods, it's really just some fun mods. But if you're downloading mods for like GTA, well, that's a little bit of a different story. All right, so let's go ahead and click next. And before we move on, I just want to preface that this is for Java Edition only. If you are trying to download mods for Bedrock, you have to go through the marketplace. Thanks a lot, Microsoft, because now mods cost money outside of a PC. There's a lot of games that you can choose from, but I'm going to focus on Minecraft Java Edition. And what I'm going to do is create a mod pack. I'm going to call this one Tester. And then I'm gonna set this to a reasonable version, so 1.19.2. If you set it to the most current version, mods are not gonna be updated up to that point. Only a couple will be. So once it loads in and your page looks like this, we're gonna go to add content. And I'm just gonna type in something like sword. And useless swords, here we go. It's a mod that adds 76 useful swords to the game, even though it says useless. Kind of funny. Check to see if our mod's downloaded and make sure it's highlighted with orange, meaning it is active, and then we can play the tester. If you're like me and this screen just popped up, that means it's connecting CurseForge to your Minecraft launcher and soon to be your Minecraft client. So just let that load, and if it's already past that point, that means you're already ahead of me. I need to sign in with Minecraft, so give me a moment to log in. And I understand, and let's just go play. So that I understand part is to make sure you know what mods you're installing and how safe your mod is. It's just warning you that your mods can corrupt your PC, so keep that in mind. Oh, and while you guys are waiting for this to install, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, because more videos like this are coming out and a lot more different stuff. And now I'm going to prepare for world creation. And to actually see if your mods are working is actually to go to creative mode. Now keep in mind that some of these mods that you install may not be accessible in creative mode, but rather through custom commands. So you need to check your mod descriptions to make sure that it is accessible either in creative mode or through commands. Or else you're just gonna have to play in survival and find out for yourself, right? Oh, here we go. Okay, so we found all the swords here. This is so cool. Another catalyst sword? That's wild, dude. What? Oh my goodness. And I have all these swords. This is crazy. I wonder how big these swords get. A light draining sword, a guster sword. A nether striker is wild. Whoa. These are big swords. Oh my goodness. But that is how you install Minecraft mods. And I am so excited to revive the Coded Kid channel because it's been dead for 2 years. All right, guys, I will see you in that next tutorial. I'll see you then.